Welcome to Solid State Disks How-To Video Library Collection. Part 1, Installing Flash2GUI software. Download Windows Installer, either 32 or 64-bit. Double-click to start installer. Click Next to continue. Check boxes for creating shortcut on desktop. Click Next to continue. Click Install. Select Allow if prompted. Click Finish. The installation is now complete, and you have a shortcut on the desktop to start the program. Double-click Shortcut to start the software. The first time you run the software you get 30 days free trial. The default login is user, admin, password. Once entered, select the Login button. You are now presented with the Connect to screen. Connecting to a drive will be covered in Part 2.